Good morning. What time is it? Oh shit, see, it moved. What time is it now?
6 o'clock.
Okay. Good morning. It's 6 in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, and we're here at the Torp airport in Norway. We're flying via Ryanair and we're going to Riga in Latvia. We are staying here at this hotel. It's Wellton Centrum Hotel in the old town. It's not easy to find parking. The hotel doesn't have own. We have to pay something like 23 or something for a day.
We can check in on 3 o'clock.
They said
We said it's not ready.
oh, this is our hotel. There's a pool there. Is it big? They have a restaurant as well. And let's go to the mall. This is the shopping mall. What floor?
4.
How you pronounce that? Bur Zma?
So I have memories of this place, but
Going to the 4th floor. At the bar. It is the bar and it's raining. What floor? Forgot. Oh, wow. Now back to the hotel. It's 1:30 p.m. and we're allowed to check in. free water here in the room in the hotel. So we bought water. We actually asked the receptionist if we could drink the tap water. And she said, oh, you can, but it's better that you boil it first. So we just decided to buy wine. No, we decided to buy water. Neptuna's water. How can you live without water? So we're gonna drink wine. Just had a shower after exploring the city. So tired, you know. The whole day, the check-in is supposed to be at 3 p.m. We had a time to go around to explore a little bit of the old town. We're staying here at the Wellton Centrum Hotel and Spa. So we're here for the spa. So later tonight, 7 o'clock, that's the next available slot for us. For anybody, 7 o'clock, it's fully booked. I'm gonna relax, maybe drink a little bit wine. This is a cheap wine, but it's really good. Stories of Italy. Oh my god, delicious. I like it that they have 2 pillows and they're so comfy. Very comfy. So here, one big, a little bit smaller. But it's nice. It's not this cheapy. Nice pillows. So I'm gonna have a rest a little bit before we go to the spa. We're going to the spa. We're ready. It's 7 o'clock.
Let's go. Let's do.
It was nice. So we finished. It's like an hour, less than an hour, almost 50 minutes. So I think it's too much for us. So because we're gonna have a dinner. We're gonna eat in a medieval restaurant. I hope we have a place because I did not reserve. We just found out about the place an hour ago. See ya later. This medieval restaurant in Riga. It's amazing. There's no lights. They use candles for lights. A good time. We're only staying here for one night because we're just passing through. The main destination actually is Lithuania. We will come back. Good morning, Riga. We're gonna eat breakfast. Wow, syempre ni mo. Drink it. Wow. everything, some salad.
I cannot taste the smell of it. Oh.
You can have it.
Huh? Amazing. This I like.
The fruits. And the sparkling wine in the morning. This apple juice. This is our last day and we're checking out. We just had a very delicious breakfast, a lot of food. Somebody's in a hurry here. My husband wanted to go up to the room so we could just leave and drive to Lithuania because we're going to Lithuania now. And on the way, we're going to the Hill of Crosses. It's a very interesting site. But anyway, let's go back to the review of this hotel. I love this hotel. I got a very good deal. I booked direct and I saw that they have a promo. They had a promo. And for 98 euros, you get to enter the pool and with breakfast as well. Not just the pool, you have spa access plus breakfast. A very good breakfast. They have a nice spread. And there's sparkling wine with alcohol, a little bit. It's very delicious. So I had all of these things. I had a good time. It's a nice hotel. Perfect location here in Riga, Latvia. Don't forget the country, it's Latvia. Walking distance to all major attractions in Riga because we are in the old town. Don't forget, subscribe to the Kruns. This is Maria and my husband, Don.